Hello everyone, I want to share my summer road trip experience and this is part 1. Hello, we're finally at Maligne Lake. You can see the signpost, Maligne Lake, Jasper, Canada. Woohoo! We're ready for our boat cruise.
Proceed to the route.
Enjoy your visit. Woohoo! Okay, so look at what the area looks like. A lot of people are here. People came in their cars. Look at the lake. Eventually. Look at the boats. Awesome. The area is so beautiful. Wow. Make sure you visit Maligne Lake.
It's a whole different ceremony there, whether it be the type, coming of age, healing ceremonies, okay? And they call that lands and whatnot around it. Now, over here, it carved the mountain wall so deep that the top was no longer supported. You onto that shoreline, all those boulders got fired out from that immense crashing of the mountain.
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
There may have been a loss in translation, as that may be one possibility. Okay. At this moment, I do want to acknowledge that we are traveling the first lands of many indigenous folk.